They say love's a battlefield. It often is, fraught with pitfalls, dangers, and traps. But all good things are worth fighting for. And this Fender Pro Junior is no different. Plagued with the input jack thing. You know what I'm talking about. Intermittent connection, static, the whole noise thing. You could hear airliner communications, AM radio towers transmitting. It's a sad state of affairs for an amp that does sound so good cranked up. So let's take a peek inside of this one and see if we could do a little jack transplant therapy. David B, this is your Fender Pro Junior. This is the Series 3. It's got the nice little black control panel cover, so it's not blinding and then it doesn't get pitted by rust and then have the silk screening wear off. You're saying you're having some issues with the stock jack there. You're not the only one. Let me whip her around and then we'll do a closer inspection. All right, and there she is, fully installed. Then I went along and reinforced whatever solder joints needed to be reinforced. Your filter caps are looking great. She's a healthy amp. Okay, here's the final test for you. A little noise from having an open jack there. I'm going to wind up the signal generator. All right. Let's get a little volume. Now watch this. Good to go. But you do have a problem, and it's not a big deal. This happens to all of them. Let me take you downtown right here so you can take a peek. Now, listen. That is a microphonic tube. It's not causing any issues at the moment, but it is noisy. So if you have a fresh one at home, you can go ahead and replace this one. These other guys are good to go. You're not picking up any radio stations here. So I think I can go ahead and button her on up, but I'll ping you really quick and see what you want to do about that tube right there. Cheers. All right, fully cranked up. Might as well throw a guitar through it. A single coil noise. Now just watch. I love how dynamic this amp is with just the volume control. Bridge humbucker. So that's 10, or 11 rather. Let's bring her down to like 5. Keep the treble high. Just a great dynamic sound. Great sound. And my guitar is noisy, so pardon that. And then down to 3. And that's it. She's ready to roll. And I sure do love these amps. Man, if you ever find your way to a little greenback in there, that's a lovely thing as well. So I hope this finds you well. Bye.